Understanding that the law of attraction is a concept can benefit your life by helping you set realistic expectations, encouraging positive thinking, providing a tool for goal setting, and increasing self-awareness. By recognizing that it is not a magical solution to all problems, you can approach it with a more grounded mindset. Focusing on positive thoughts and emotions can improve your well-being, and using it as a tool can help you achieve your goals. The law of attraction also encourages self-awareness, helping you identify negative patterns or behaviors. Here are 10 principles of the law of attraction that can change your life. Number 1. Positive thinking. Positive thinking is a key principle of the law of attraction that emphasizes the importance of focusing on positive thoughts and feelings to attract positive experiences into our lives. When we have a positive outlook and believe that good things can happen to us, we become more open and receptive to the opportunities and abundance that the universe has to offer. This is because our thoughts and beliefs are energy, and they have a powerful impact on our reality. Positive thoughts and emotions help to raise our vibration and attract more positivity and abundance into our lives. On the other hand, negative thoughts and emotions can lower our vibration and attract more negativity and lack. To cultivate positive thinking, we can practice gratitude, visualization, affirmations, and other techniques to shift our mindset towards a more optimistic and empowered state. With consistent practice, positive thinking can help us to manifest our deepest desires and create the life we truly want to live. Number 2, gratitude. Gratitude is another important principle of the law of attraction that involves being thankful for what we have and what we are manifesting. Gratitude helps to raise our vibration and attract more abundance and positivity into our lives. When we express gratitude, we shift our focus from what we lack to what we have, which helps to create a positive and abundant mindset. Gratitude also helps us to appreciate the present moment and the small things in life that we may take for granted. We can practice gratitude by creating a daily gratitude list, expressing appreciation for others, giving thanks for our accomplishments, and focusing on the positive aspects of our lives. By doing so, we can create a more positive and abundant energy that attracts more of the same into our lives. Gratitude can help us to cultivate a sense of fulfillment and contentment, which is essential to living a joyful and abundant life. Number 3, visualization. Visualization is a powerful technique that involves using our imagination to create mental images of what we want to manifest in our lives. By visualizing our desired outcomes as if they have already happened, we send a clear message to the universe about what we want and help to align our thoughts and actions with our goals. Visualization helps to create a positive and confident mindset and reinforces the belief that we can achieve what we desire. To practice visualization, we can create a mental image of our desired outcome and imagine it in great detail. We can also use visualization tools such as vision boards or guided meditations to help us focus our intention and create a clear picture of what we want to manifest. By visualizing our desired outcomes regularly, we begin to create a sense of certainty and expectation that what we want is on its way. Visualization is a powerful way to harness the law of attraction and to create the life we desire. By combining positive thinking, gratitude, and visualization, we can become more intentional about our thoughts and beliefs and manifest our deepest desires. Number 4, affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that we can use to reprogram our subconscious mind and shift our beliefs towards a more positive and empowering perspective. Affirmations are a powerful tool for manifesting our desires because they help us to focus our thoughts and energy on what we want to create, rather than what we fear or lack. To create affirmations, we can identify the limiting beliefs that may be holding us back and create positive statements that counteract these beliefs. For example, if we believe that we are not good enough to achieve our goals, we can create an affirmation such as, "I am worthy and capable of achieving my dreams." We can then repeat these affirmations regularly, with conviction and belief, to reprogram our subconscious mind and create a new reality. Affirmations can be used in combination with other law of attraction principles, such as visualization and gratitude, to amplify their effectiveness. By focusing our thoughts and energy on positive and empowering beliefs, we can create a more abundant and fulfilling life. Affirmations are a simple yet powerful tool that anyone can use to create positive change in their life. Number 5. Belief. Belief is a key principle of the law of attraction and involves having faith in ourselves and the universe to manifest our desires. Our beliefs shape our reality, and what we believe to be true about ourselves and the world around us influences the experiences that we attract into our lives. To harness the power of belief, we need to cultivate a deep sense of faith and trust in ourselves and the universe. We need to believe that we are capable of achieving our goals and that the universe is conspiring to help us. This means letting go of limiting beliefs and negative self-talk that may be holding us back, and replacing them with positive and empowering beliefs. To cultivate belief, we can use affirmations, visualization, and gratitude to shift our thoughts and energy towards a more positive and confident mindset. We can also look for evidence that supports our beliefs and focus on our past successes and accomplishments to reinforce our sense of self-belief. Belief is a powerful tool for manifesting our desires and creating the life we want to live. By cultivating a strong sense of faith and trust in ourselves and the universe, we can create a more positive and abundant reality. Number 6. Action. Action is a crucial principle of the law of attraction that involves taking inspired action towards our goals. While positive thinking, gratitude, visualization, affirmations, and belief are essential for manifesting our desires, they need to be accompanied by action to bring them to fruition. Taking action towards our goals sends a powerful message to the universe that we are committed to our desires and ready to receive the opportunities and abundance that it has to offer. Action also helps us to overcome our fears and doubts and build momentum towards our goals. To take inspired action, we need to be clear about our goals and have a plan in place to achieve them. We need to take small steps towards our goals every day and be open to new opportunities and possibilities that come our way. We also need to trust our intuition and take risks when necessary, even if it means stepping outside of our comfort zone. Taking action is a powerful way to harness the law of attraction and bring our desires to life. By combining positive thinking, gratitude, visualization, affirmations, belief, and action, we can create a powerful synergy that attracts the experiences and opportunities that we want. Number 7. Letting go. Letting go is a key principle of the law of attraction that involves releasing our attachment to the outcome and surrendering to the universe. When we hold on too tightly to our desires, we create resistance and block the flow of abundance and opportunities into our lives. Letting go involves trusting that the universe has our back and that everything is happening for our highest good, even if it may not seem that way at the time. It means releasing our fears, doubts, and negative self-talk and focusing on the present moment and the joy and abundance that we already have in our lives. To let go, we can practice mindfulness, meditation, and self-care to cultivate a sense of inner peace and acceptance. We can also practice detachment by setting our intentions and taking inspired action towards our goals, but being open to the possibility that the outcome may not be exactly as we envisioned. Letting go is a powerful way to allow the law of attraction to work in our favor and attract the experiences and opportunities that we desire. By surrendering to the universe and trusting that everything is happening for our highest good, we create space for new possibilities and abundance to flow into our lives. Number 8. Gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful principle of the law of attraction that involves focusing on the good in our lives and being thankful for the abundance and blessings that we have. When we cultivate an attitude of gratitude, we attract more positivity and abundance into our lives and raise our vibration to a higher frequency. Gratitude involves recognizing and appreciating the abundance and blessings in our lives, no matter how small they may seem. It means shifting our focus away from what we lack and towards what we have, and expressing our appreciation through positive affirmations, journaling, or simply by saying thank you. To cultivate gratitude, we can practice daily gratitude exercises such as keeping a gratitude journal, creating a gratitude jar, or saying a gratitude prayer. We can also make gratitude a part of our daily routine by expressing our appreciation to the people in our lives, volunteering, or simply taking a moment to appreciate the beauty of nature. Gratitude is a powerful tool for manifesting our desires and creating a more positive and abundant life. By focusing on the good in our lives and expressing our appreciation, we create a positive energy that attracts more positivity and abundance into our lives. Number 9. Visualization. Visualization is a key principle of the law of attraction that involves creating a mental image of our desired outcome and focusing on it with intention and positive emotion. Visualization helps to program our subconscious mind to attract our desires and raise our vibration to a higher frequency. To visualize effectively, we need to be clear about our desired outcome and create a mental image that is as vivid and detailed as possible. We need to visualize ourselves already having achieved our goal and feel the positive emotions associated with it, such as joy, excitement, and gratitude. Visualization can be done in many ways, including through meditation, affirmations, vision boards, or simply by closing our eyes and creating a mental image. It is important to practice visualization regularly and to focus on the positive emotions associated with our desired outcome rather than the lack or absence of it. Visualization is a powerful tool for manifesting our desires and creating the life we want to live. By programming our subconscious mind to attract our desires and focusing on the positive emotions associated with them, we create a powerful energy that draws the experiences and opportunities that we desire into our lives. Number 10. Faith. Faith is a fundamental principle of the law of attraction that involves believing and having confidence in our ability to manifest our desires. Our faith shapes our thoughts, emotions, and actions, and can either support or hinder our ability to attract abundance and opportunities into our lives. Belief involves having a positive and optimistic mindset, even in the face of challenges and obstacles. It means trusting that we have the power to create the life we want and that the universe is conspiring in our favor. It also means releasing any limiting faith or negative self-talk that may be holding us back. To cultivate belief, we can practice positive affirmations, surround ourselves with positive and supportive people, and visualize ourselves already having achieved our desired outcome. We can also focus on our past successes and accomplishments and remind ourselves of our strengths and abilities. Faith is a powerful tool for manifesting our desires and creating a more positive and abundant life. By having faith and confidence in our ability to attract abundance and opportunities into our lives, we create a positive energy that attracts more positivity and abundance into our lives. What are your thoughts on this subject? Comment below with your ideas and let us know. Remember to like, share, and click the bell icon to get a notification whenever we upload a new video.